Space story time. We are here at SM MOA for the Pyromusical Korea versus UK. Here's our ticket. Here's the sale restaurant. We went here at Poppy Soppy Pancakes for our food and drinks. So that's how they prepare for it. Looks how nice it is. Look how soft. A blueberry and Oreo cheesecake. Our pancakes, and that's the view in front of the store. Tada! Look how my boyfriend is. And the drinks we have till we went to MOA Sky. And here's our food. And fireworks na performance na ng Korea, ng South Korea. So that's how it was. I edited most of this video that I have. It was a memorable experience. It was so good. I was so amazed. My boyfriend and I enjoyed the whole performance of South Korea and UK. And I'm with my friend, which my workmates as well, Kuya Art. And I met Ate Sheila and others. We've been just enjoying the moment. Look how beautiful the firework is. South Korea uses few songs, including Filipino songs from Bini and Mapa, of course K-pop song and others. While UK, for me, they uses powerful songs, one of which is from Celine Dion. If I'm right, correct me if I'm wrong. So here's the full video that I was able to capture, because most of the moment I just enjoyed. Like, look at us, blurry lang. That's Kuya Art, me, and there's my boyfriend, so focused watching. We're at MOA Sky. MOA Sky Garden. This is the finale of UK. Look how beautiful it is. Then the hearts. How amazing. Ta-da! It's almost done. And then capturing the view here at SM Sky Garden or Mobile Sky Garden. There's Kuya, there's Ate. Yan, my boyfriend. We had photos. And that's the end of the story.